What's up guys, Parks Plumbing. Got a bit of a day in the life video today. Got a couple of jobs, boiler repair and finding a leak. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so...
Are you blind? You can't see me!
You might remember this boiler from my very first video, way back when. When I did a full service on it, a video about 19 hours long, so I'm going to keep it a bit shorter this time. So what's wrong with this one? Diverter valve's passing, so what's happening when they're running hot water? It's going down the heating instead. Okay, so what we need to do, change that diverter valve. We should be good to go. Alright, so let's get into it. First step, drain it down. Right, so what we need to do, we need to remove the screws that are here. Now these are like Swiss cheese, so really be careful, make sure you've got a good solid end for a screwdriver. If not, you can use like a laggy band around it or something just to get a bit of toughness. But yeah, you need to be careful when pulling these out because it will or sometimes round the screw. Alright, so tuning fork, pull that out. Then what we'll do is we'll take that clip out, undo that nut, and then the whole thing should just come out. Well, it'll come out of the pump housing there, but... Right, let's get that done. Remember, a good solid grip. Ooh. One. There we go. Tuning fork. What we don't want is a load of freaking water here now. Nah, we're not too bad today. Okay, pull that section out. Right, this is where water is now, look. Right, so see what I'm doing here, I'm just plugging that with my finger on the return. I'm just allowing a little bit of air to come in, and now sort of draining a bit more off. You can hear it going into my tub at bottom now. Right, so that's the old one out. There she is. Okay, make sure you get rid of them O-rings as well, put some new ones in, because like you can see, they just got super crusty and shite, so get rid of them fucking things. Oh man, anybody else get mega foot cramps all the time, kneeling down? Painful, man. New O-rings in the holes. If they don't stick, just put a bit of lube on them. Okay, that's them in there. Make sure you've got no O-ring stuck in there, hiding. Get a new one. And his O-ring. That it. Oh, friggin' hell, I've lost O-ring now. God damn. Oh no. I'll put it on. So this is the new O-ring. Splodge of lube. Right, this is the tricky bit now. So you've got to get it all back in without knocking them back O-rings off, which can be a bit of a shite, so watch out. No, I've got 2 friggin' O-rings on here. That's working it dark, kids. Hopefully them 2 back washers are alright. 2 screws. New tuning fork back in. New O-ring. lube. New 3/4 washer. Just pull the other one off. Right, tighten this up. So this is the new cable connection that goes on. So that goes on there. It goes in there. It's a little bit wet at the minute, so what I'm going to do is just dry that off. Right. So tip: before you start filling it back up again, if your bucket's full, or if you've been catching water in, go empty it. Because if it goes wrong, you're going to be in a right flap. So take the time, go empty it. I'll see you in a minute. Whoa. Whoa. Right, filling it up now. So what we need to do now, put power back on. Need to put it in pump purge. Hold plus. Turn power back on. Right, can you see that? You're on P0, then press I. What that's going to do is just get all air out. Made a load of notes on my phone so I could save them. So if I get stuck or I can't remember something, you know, wrote them all out myself on iPad. It's just something that's just easier for me to reference quickly. No leaks. What I'll do is I'll just mop all this up here, and yeah, good to go. Catch you on the next one. Yep. Right, so got a leak on this shower from underneath. So what it's doing is coming underneath into the dining room. So I need to find out where it's coming from. I've had a look at the silicone. It's not great, but I don't think it's coming through. So what I want to do is I want to cut an hole around here in the floor, and then use my new camera and see if I can spot where it's coming through. So I'll save the floorboards, save a lot of damage. So let's get into that. Wait, looks like someone's been here before. So underneath the shower. Oh, it looks pretty dry. Right underneath it there. Can't really see much going on. The search continues. So the camera on. I'm gonna feed it underneath the shower and see if I can see anything that I can't see from here. So this is my first time using this. I'm hoping this will be nice and clear and bright, and I can post it all the way under. Right, let's push right in there, as you can see, right underneath the shower trap. It's brilliant. So what I'm going to do is run the shower, and we can see if there's a trap or not, can't we? So that's the shower running. And that's the trap that we're looking at. Looks like it's been leaking before, but not seen anything just yet. Right, so that's the shower trap. I don't think it's leaking. So let's push forward. That's the nut. Pretty dry on the nut. joint. That's an elbow, isn't it? Are they drips? Can you see them there? These things here. I wonder if they're drips. That's a better view of it. So, push fit. Don't use push fit under showers.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
Right, so conclusion. Now, there's nothing leaking from what I can see underneath the shower. Down there. And then underneath there. So I can see all the trap. I can see around the shower edges. There's nothing leaking. There's nothing showing there's leaking. So that's the stain that I noticed it originally. So I managed to pull this flight fitting out. There's just too much insulation. I can't see anything. The story continues. Well, let's come to this. So, I have to cut it. I have to cut it. Okay, so these are the bits I hate about this job. So, you cut your edge. You missed the joist by about a mile. That's gonna have to be built up. And where do you think the leak is? Bone dry. No signs of anything. So now we're gonna have to have a squeaky floorboard for the rest of their lives. For nothing. Oh, honestly. Found it. So, what it is because this shower, I'd like to take the head off and then manoeuvre it around, but because it's fixed, it's hard work. So I managed to make it spray into this back corner here, and it's going down the back of the profile. So only when I could get the water to go down that section, and it's leaking underneath and going out. So that's it. So all this damage just for that, you know what I mean? Well annoying. So now I guess I'll have to take the profile off, but I doubt I'll do that today. Hey, sorry for the abrupt ending. Yeah, I need to go back to that job. It's an insurance job. They need to get approval, and I'll probably film the next one taking that shower profile off, so stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching this week's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please, please, please smash the like button. It's great for the YouTube algorithm. I'm trying to get more videos out to you guys. I'm a busy man. But if you'd like to see more videos, i.e. 1 a week, 2 a week, leave a comment below and let me know. You know, it might give me some motivation to do a few more videos for you. Alright, so with that being said, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.